Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to learn 5 more idioms that used by native speakers. In day 69th, 70th and 72nd videos also we've learned 15 idioms and today we are going to learn 5 more idioms with their meaning and examples. So first, what is idioms? So idiom means group of words. So idioms na adla set of words இருக்கும். They are following a fixed order and they are providing a particular meaning. So இந்த idiomsல இருக்கிற group of words together ஒரு particular meaning provide பண்ணும். But அந்த idiomsல இருக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு individual words ஓட meaning different-ஆ இருக்கும். So idioms நமக்கு clear-ஆ தெரியணும்னா we have to learn the meaning of the entire sentence. First one, a picture is worth 1,000 words. A picture is worth 1,000 words means better to show than tell. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Idiom ஓட meaning ஒரு person குடுக்கிற explanation விட ஒரு single image or a picture குடுக்கிற details ரொம்ப clear-ஆ இருக்கும், better-ஆ இருக்கும். Let's see some examples. A good presentation should contain more of graphics and less of text since a picture is worth 1,000 words. So ஒரு நல்ல presentationனா அதுல pictures அதிகமா இருக்கணும், text கம்மியா இருக்கணும் because a picture is worth 1,000 words. It's easier to learn how a machine works from pictures rather than descriptions since a picture is worth 1,000 words. So ஒரு மெஷினோட working function learn பண்றதுக்கு அதோட pictures வழியா learn பண்ணோம்னா அது ரொம்பவே ஈஸியா இருக்கும். டெக்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து learn பண்றதை விட. Since a picture is worth 1,000 words. So a picture is worth 1,000 words. Idiom ஓட meaning better to show than tell. Second one, break the ice. Break the ice means make people feel more comfortable. So break the ice idiom ஓட meaning initially ஒரு comfortness create பண்றது. Let's see some examples. Jim organized a few party games to break the ice when people first arrived. So அந்த பார்ட்டிக்கு first initially people வரப்போ அவங்களுக்கு இடையில ஒரு comfortness create பண்றதுக்காக some party games வந்து Jim organize பண்ணாரு. So break the ice means making comfortness. I tried to break the ice by offering her a drink, but she said no. So இந்த sentence ஓட meaning, so first meet பண்றப்போ ஒரு comfortness create பண்றதுக்காக நான் drink offer பண்ணேன், but she said no. So I tried to break the ice. I tried to make a comfortness. So break the ice, idiom ஓட meaning, make people feel more comfortable. Next one, cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg means very expensive. Cost an arm and a leg, idiom ஓட meaning ரொம்ப costly. Let's see some examples. This dress is really nice, but it cost me an arm and a leg. So இந்த sentence ஓட meaning, இந்த dress ரொம்பவே நல்லா இருக்கு, but too expensive. The show is excellent, but the tickets cost an arm and a leg. So இந்த sentence ஓட meaning, இந்த show ரொம்பவே நல்லா இருக்கு, ஆனா ticket cost ரொம்பவே ஹையா இருக்கு. So cost an arm and a leg, idiom ஓட meaning very expensive. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake means it's easy. It's a piece of cake idiom oda meaning ரொம்ப easy, ரொம்ப simple. Let's see some example. Don't think that this term's work will be a piece of cake. You will have to study hard to get good grades. So in the sentence oda meaning இந்த எக்ஸாமுக்கான works easy கிடையாது. You have to study hard to get good grades. Some parts of cooking are really difficult, but I found that making sandwich is a piece of cake. இந்த sentence ஓட meaning cooking ஓட சில parts நிஜமாவே ரொம்ப difficult, but making sandwich is very easy. It's a piece of cake. Idiom ஓட meaning it's easy. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means rarely. Once in a blue moon idiom oda meaning எப்போவாவது. Let's see some example. The earthquake hits once in a blue moon in this part of the earth. We never felt it. இந்த sentence oda meaning earth ஓட இந்த பார்ட்ல earthquakes எப்போவாவது தான் வரும். நாங்க இதுக்கு முன்னாடி எப்பவுமே இத ஃபீல் பண்ணது இல்ல. I don't know why she bought that music system. She uses it once in a blue moon. எனக்கு தெரியல ஏன் அந்த மியூசிக் சிஸ்டம் அவ வாங்குனான்னு. பிகாஸ் அவ வந்து ரொம்ப ரேரா தான் அதை யூஸ் பண்ணுவா. So once in a blue moon idiom ஓட meaning rarely. So we've learned 5 idioms with their meaning and example. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Break the ice. Caused an arm and a leg. It's a piece of cake once in a blue moon. So totally we've learned 20 idioms. If you find this one is useful, do subscribe and see you soon in my next video. Thank you.